Hey guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun project share. I am getting ready to mail this package out to Tony, who is Craft Purge here on YouTube and Instagram. She is hosting her famous Instagram group swaps, and this one is Christmas embellishment boxes. It is always a pure pleasure to be a part of her group swaps because you never know who you're going to get, and you get a small flavor of your favorite crafters and their styles. So this is full-blown Christmas sparkle. I am using the new Frank Garcia collection this year. I love the blue tones in it, and I just, you buy it, you got to use it. So let's go over the embellishment boxes first. The requirements are really simple. You just have to create 3 embellishment boxes and decorate it really pretty. She's not really hard on it. It's just about putting your love into these things because you are trying to put your best foot forward, and I hope I achieve that. So these are the embellishment boxes, and there was a shortage of these embellishment boxes, I have to say, but I was lucky to find 4, and basically all I did was pretty much the same concept for each one. The layout was the same. I just used different chipboard pieces and ephemera pieces because I don't always have duplicates or triplets or whatever of the same kind. So it's mapped out to be the same. I use this flower trim, and I'm just going to say this. There is no greater joy than hitting spool. When you see the brown spool at the end of a ribbon, it's like, yes, you finally burned through a small piece of your stash. So it is pure bliss. So it was nice to incorporate some kind of texture to the ends, and I took a deco paper. You can hardly see it because I've already covered it up. I stitched all around. I did use like a wonky stitch, and then I add some snowflake stitches on the top and right corner. I think it just kind of gives it a little fun element. This is a shaker tree, and I am using this Momenta shaker tree, and it looks just like this. I did pick this up from Hobby Lobby, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. For something so intricate like this, I cannot use foam. So what I have to do is I cut out several pieces of 110-pound cardstock, and it's the only way that I can do a intricate shaker like this. So I didn't use sequins. I actually used diamond dust and some fun little glitter pieces because I wanted the space is really small. I didn't want it to be too clouded with shaker sequins, so I did put fun glitter. I did go around the edges with this Eileen's glitter snow, and I've had this for years, you guys, and I can't believe it's still cream cheesy. It's not dried out. I highly recommend it. I did diamond dots in just kind of like offsetting colors. I used a blue and white, and I love that little sparkle on it. I had this little snowflake, little flat back piece on top. I have a Dollar Tree snowflake tucked in the back. I have this double layered banner, and then I just used some Tim Holtz sentiment stickers, a little puffy, a little chipboard sticker, and then it is my all-time favorite poinsettia die. It is the Heartfelt Creations. Now this is not cheap, but I have to say it is worth every single penny. I don't have the stamp set because I'm just not a stamper. I think it's just an extra step that I don't want to deal with. But after you crank it through the embossing mold, it is so beautiful, so beautiful. I am obsessed with it, and yeah, it's so small and it's the perfect size that I love to work with. I did go a little cuckoo with the Nouveau drops, and this is because of Wanda. She had sent me a mini album, and she did a whole like page of or layout of the on the cover with the drops, and I'm obsessed. This is what color is this? Oh, the crystal drops, and it's the simply white, and I've added it everywhere. I've added it onto the ephemera pieces. I added it to the little hat of the nutcracker, and I'm just like loving it. I added to the little pom-pom of the snowman, and just added it here and there. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna open the embellishment box, they are all the same. I did not do anything different. I just wanted the insides to be pretty much similar to one another. I've added just some fun little pieces. We've got some beads on the top. I've got some little jingle bells here, some bow beads, more snowflake and bow beads. I have some little flat back pieces, snowflakes. I got some wood snowflakes in here and some stars. Just a little fun, like little crafty box that they can use for their Christmas crafting. I have some fun little wood pieces in here. I have some resin pieces and some bows. And then I have a whole bunch of fun little charms in here. Charms that they can use. I mean, there's some ribbon, some bows, some snowflakes. I think it's just a fun little goodie box that I hope that anyone who receives would enjoy. So that is my first box. I have this box here, and this is kind of my peppermint, pink peppermint box. Again, using the same elements, same cluster, and just different sentiments, but I do have like little peppermints here and there. This is another chipboard piece from the Christmas Sparkle collection. Again, it's super fun, but same elements. This is the one with a little cute little dog. I have this little cluster again, Nouveau crazy. I love adding the 3 drops on the side. I think it just makes it super fun. And then here's the last one with the deer. So pretty. I just love how this came out. Now I'm going to show you the tags that I created. I wanted to add a little dangly element on the box, but there was nowhere to clip it, so I ended up adding it onto the tag. It's not the cutest. I kind of love the tag as is. This is just how the tag looks. And basically I made a sequence mix, and I put in these little Dollar Tree glass things here, and then I added a little snowflake charm, a little wire wrap bead, and they could just take this off. Honestly, this is just kind of a little dangly element that I just wanted to add a little extra. So I have this really pretty iridescent pink ribbon that I finished a whole roll of on this project, so I'm super happy. I have some pink and white twine. Where's the other side? Here it is. Super pretty. I love the look of the twine on this. And then I have this really beautiful, this is my new favorite bow. It is a snowflake bow from In Love Art, and I showed it in a Design Hue project. I'm obsessed with it. It is so pretty. I'm using some white foam, glitter foam on the back for the snowflake. This is a premium felt from Hobby Lobby. If you see it at your stores, it's a little bit more pricey, but it's worth every single penny. It is so soft. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. This is for Tony, so I added the little T on here, and the shape of it is a little bell. So I took one piece of deco paper, one piece of 110, and then I added this acetate. I did spray all of them with this Nouveau mist smoke spray. I think it's called Silver Smoke. Yeah, you can hardly see it, but it does give a little sheen to it. I mean, you can see the sheen from the acetate as well, but I just love adding that little extra texture. We have some fun sequence mix and the fun little deco paper in the back. I did, of course, go with my favorite little Nouveau drops in the corners, and then on the back it's really simple. I just cut out a circle, Nouveau drops. I have a little snowflake and just a little handmade by, and then just added a little piece of chipboard just to make it a little fun. So that's my tag. Oh, I forgot to add that I did add a little fa la la la. The more I look at it, the more things I end up adding to it. So I need to really just pack this up and send this out because I'll never get it done. So here is another like hot cocoa scene. Again, super pretty, super simple, but I love the daintiness of it. It's really soft. This is kind of the vibe that I love for Christmas. Soft, pink, delicate, but you got all the feels, you have all the textures, kind of just what I love about Christmas crafting. And you guys, that is it. I hope whoever receives my box knows I put love into this and that they enjoy, and yeah, they enjoy my box. It was a labor of love. And that is it for my project share today, you guys. I'll leave product information for any of these items I showed today. And if you have a question, just leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.